This is for the Hardwoodsman challenge. This is plant ID, find 2 uses for something. Got some cattails. We're gonna try to get some of them. All right, there's my cattails. What I've done is I went and got cattails. It's really hot out here today. It's probably 101 degrees. And so I'm in the woods, so it's not so hot. One of the things you can do with cattails is you can use them to filter your water. I gathered this water up at the creek. What I'll do, I'll just stick this in the opening of the water bottle, and we'll turn it upside down and see what happens. And while this is trying to filter, I'm going to process the roots down. It's really sticky, kind of like a glue right here. And when you break it apart, you see this white stalk on the inside. And you just want the white part. That one's really stringy. That was the same. Doesn't really have a taste. Someone said it tasted a little bit like cucumber. Like a really weak cucumber, maybe. When these are green, you can boil them and eat them kind of like a piece of corn. But you don't want to do that when they're brown, because they'll fluff up.
Some wild glizzies. Oh!
Okay. It's dripping. And the water's a lot clearer than this. We're gonna let that drip. It's clearer than this water. I don't have a whole lot of liquid, but I think I've got enough to boil the cattails in. Another thing you can do with cattails is you can find one that's dried and busted open like this one. You can use it as a tinder. But now this is a flash tinder. So what you'd want to do is you'd want to puff it up and have all your material. All right. See how fast that went up? That was good and dry. Got stirred up though. As this is catching up, I'm going to try to show you the water. It's a lot cleaner. It's got a little bit of fluff from the cattail in it. Okay, this has been boiling for a while now, so I'm thinking that it's done. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to eat the shoots in the bottom. Then I'm going to take the water that I boiled, that I filtered through the cattail top, and then I'm going to make some tea. So I'm going to let the tea cool off a little bit. I would boil these for like a really long time. That was not bad. That was in the bottom. I need water to swallow it though. All right, let's see. It'd be better if I would have let the leaves boil. It's kind of weird. It's like a starchy taste or a starchy feel. Now I can taste the blackberries. Okay, my plant ID is cattails. I used the stalk as a food source. I used the tip as a Flash Tinder, and I used the tip as a water filter. So that's my at least 2 uses for cattail.